Welcome back to the ICD-10 PCS 2025 series. In this episode, we're focusing on Section 9, Chiropractic. This section is specifically used to code spinal and joint manipulations performed by licensed chiropractors. If you're coding chiropractic adjustments in inpatient settings, this is the section you need. Let's break it down simply.
1. What is Section 9? Section 9 of ICD-10 PCS is used only for chiropractic procedures, particularly manual adjustments of the spine and extremities. These are performed by licensed doctors of chiropractic DCs and involve techniques like spinal alignment, joint mobilization, hands-on pressure techniques. These procedures are done to restore movement, relieve pressure, and improve posture or nerve function.
2. Code structure explained. Let's look at a sample code and walk through what it means. Code 9W0FX6Z. This code represents chiropractic manipulation of the sacrum using a high-velocity technique. Here's the breakdown. First character, 9, section. This is the chiropractic section of PCS. Second character, W, body system. We're working on the musculoskeletal system. Third character, 0, root operation. It's treatment. The chiropractor is physically correcting or adjusting something. Fourth character, F, body part. This is the sacrum, which is part of the lower spine. Fifth character, X, approach. The procedure is done externally, hands on the outside of the body. Sixth character, 6, method. This is a high-velocity, low-amplitude, HVLA thrust technique, a common chiropractic method. Seventh character, Z, qualifier, no extra information needed. Z stands for none. So in simple terms, this code tells us a chiropractor adjusted the sacrum using a quick, controlled thrust.
3. Chiropractic methods. There's only one root operation in this section, treatment. The goal is to manipulate joints or spine to relieve symptoms or improve function. But what sets the codes apart is the method used. 0, unspecified. 5. Low velocity, variable amplitude. Slow and smooth techniques. 6. High velocity, low amplitude, quick thrusts, most common in chiropractic care. 7. Combination of both techniques. Chiropractors choose the technique based on the condition, area of the spine, and patient needs.
4. Real-life coding examples. Here are some real-world examples of chiropractic coding. Example 1. Cervical spine adjustment using HVLA. Code 9W0CX6Z, meaning a chiropractor adjusted the neck using a high-speed technique. Example 2. Thoracic manipulation using low velocity. Code 9W0EX5Z, meaning mid-back adjusted with a slow, gentle technique. Example 3. Lumbar spine manipulation using a combined technique. Code 9W0DX7Z, meaning the lower back was adjusted using a mix of slow and quick movements. Example 4. Sacral adjustment with unspecified technique. Code 9W0FX0Z, meaning the chiropractor adjusted the sacrum, but the method wasn't documented.
5. Chiropractic coding tips. Here are some quick tips for accurate coding in Section 9. Code only if the treatment was done by a licensed chiropractor, DC. Identify the exact body part treated: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacrum, etc. Confirm the technique, used high velocity, low velocity, or both. If the method is not documented, use the unspecified method 0. Important: these codes are not for osteopathic manipulation. Those go in Section 7.
And that's your complete guide to Section 9 Chiropractic in ICD-10 PCS 2025. This section is all about hands-on spinal and joint manipulation performed by chiropractors to treat pain, stiffness, and alignment issues.
Up next, Section B, Imaging, where we'll go into X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, and more.